Hi, this is Don Greeno of Designer Fair, and I'm coming to you today to tell you about the amazing deal we currently have going on. Until Easter, we have an amazing 15% off our already low discounted prices. This is both for new and existing customers, and you don't have to be just a small business either. We accept all customers, whether you're an owner of a small business or someone who just needs business cards or photos digitized. We here at Designer Fair do it all at a fair price. Come and check us out on our website at www.designerfairllc.com. That's www.designerfairllc.com. Or on any one of our social media outlets: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, or even like and follow our channel on YouTube. We always have something going on. See you soon.